Communication is my advice for somebody considering getting married. I actually believe that communication is important if you're thinking about taking the relationship to the next level and moving in together. I know a lot of people have prenuptial agreements. I think they're great. But in young marriages or marriages where the parties don't have a ton of money, it may not be necessary. What I do believe is necessary is determining what the expectations of each of the parties are, determining what the deal, if you will, is. Every relationship has a contract, and when you enter into a marriage contract, you're being governed by the state where you live. And even if it's an easy divorce, when you go through a divorce, you have to file paperwork and pay fees and fill out forms. That means that getting into this should be a little bit more difficult. You should discuss, do we want to have kids? What religion is our family going to be? How much are we going to put away for savings? Are you going to continue working after we have kids? Are we going to go on a family vacation every year? If my mom turns 80 and has a stroke, can she come live in our back house? Obviously, you can't address every single thing that's going to happen during the course of your hopefully very long marriage, but there are certain things, particularly financial things, that are not very sexy or romantic to discuss, but I highly advise having these conversations with either a priest or a rabbi or a good friend, somebody that you both respect that's had a little life experience, a mental health professional again, and maybe taking some notes, jotting things down. And there will be times in your relationship where you will have to kind of renegotiate the terms. Things have changed. One of us is working more now. One of us is making more money. We're buying a home. My mother did end up coming to live with us. Things need to be discussed, and you need to have good communication about what the deal points are. Even if it may not sound like the most romantic, it will save your relationship time and time again. And if you start doing it before you get married, it'll be easier to do throughout the course of your marriage, which will hopefully last a very long time.